Welcome back family, nothing but South African football. Coach Hugo Broos has spoken about his squad selection, saying, "It's a moment to try and pick some other players, and Masindi Nemtajela has made very good performances at Orlando Pirates, so I had to call him and see how he trains with the Bafana Bafana group." He also explained why Shabalala isn't in the squad, saying it's not because he's out of form, but rather to test new options. But just before the squad was revealed, Shabalala had something to say. Stay tuned, this story is getting interesting, Amakhosi family. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more South African football updates. Here is the video.
Hugo Broos was in the stands today. You're part of that preliminary squad for Bafana Bafana, and you just gave a performance of your life.
Yeah, I think I did my job today, and everything lies on the coach. And any decision I will take it, and I will keep on working hard. Thank you.
Congratulations.